25th question. Give reasons for the following. Ethyl iodide undergoes SN2 reaction faster than ethyl bromide. Second part. Plus minus 2-butanol is optically inactive. Third part. C to X bond length in halobenzene is smaller than C to X bond length in CH3X. Solution. First part. Because in ethyl iodide is act as a best Lg among all the halide ion, rate of SN2 reaction is proportional to Lg ability of Lg. Second part, plus minus 2-butanol is a racemic mixture which is optically inactive due to external compensation. Third part, due to resonance in halobenzene, it has less bond length value in comparison to CH3X.